All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So check. 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 To inspect something and ensure it is correct and doing what is meant to do. So let's have a look, like list maybe, or check, or yes, here we are, what, like this. Yes, just making sure everything is working, making sure everything is fine. I will check the box. I will check the box, yeah. Check it's open, check it's locked. I need to check the lock. Can you check the door? Just check the door is closed. Just check the door is closed. He always checks the tools. She likes it when you check everything in the house. Yeah. He, she, it needs to be checked every day. Yeah, she, he, it. They always check the books before buying them. Yeah, check. Okay. Just make it. Okay, right. Okay, just checking it. Right. How cool is that? Yeah. I will check the door. They always have to check those two. Yeah. We will check that now. I have to check it soon. Look into it soon. Yeah. Yeah. I checked the basket last night. So we checked the room last night and it was fine. It was fine. Yeah. I'm checking it now. See, I'm checking it now and it looks good. I'm looking at it. I'm checking the instructions. Okay. Right. Okay. I understand now. Okay. He has plans to check it every day. So I check that file every day just for the peace of mind. Oh. Whew. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use check in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.